What's up, guys? Joe at Momentum Worx. Today we're not talking about turbos, we are talking about injectors. What I've got here is a 955 injector, or an 0955 injector for a Caterpillar. Before I don't talk about it correctly anymore, let me introduce my co-host today, Monica Lewinsky. Just kidding, guys. This is the Lensman Jammer. He's been with us for quite some time. He is my fuel guy, my guy that does head, doesn't give head. Haha, Monica Lewinsky. He knows a lot more about stuff. While I am the turbo guy, he's big on the injection side of things. And I wanted to bring him in today a little bit to talk about this injector. So Len, I'm gonna let you do the talking here. Tell the viewers here about this Cat 55 injector, what it is, when they use it, where they use it, and why to get it from us.
How you doing, guys? So this is, again, as Joe said, a 10R 0955 injector. You're gonna find these on your 3406E C15 single turbo applications. These are not, these are non-ACERT. Typically, I'll put these on any engine that's set at 550 or above. And while you can use your 57s and your 58s, I like the 55s for those applications because they're so versatile.
So realistically, a customer can buy these and they can put a different tune in them so that they can run them with a smaller turbo like a 78 132. And then when they're ready to jump up to something like a GTX 55 or an S500, they can change the tune, change the trim codes, if you will, and then basically be able to still use this injector. So it's almost like a one-size-fits-all.
That is correct. But again, like you said, the tune is super important. You don't want to melt a piston.
Okay. So when guys are putting these in, a tune's going to be imperative to change out. When would they not use these? When would you recommend they use something smaller like a 57 or a 58?
You can use a 58 in that same realm of horsepower. Anything under 550, like your 475s, I would just use for what the engine calls for. Again, tuning goes a long way in a Caterpillar application.
So realistically, when they're making it look jam, or make jam, a set of 55s and a big turbo are probably good for 700-800 horsepower.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So why, when you can get injectors from any place on the internet, and everyone knows Momentum Worx is the best place on the internet on earth, but when you can get injectors from any of these shithole websites, why would you buy them from us instead of them? What makes this special? What makes this a quality piece?
Well, first and foremost, we're going to give you guaranteed acceptance on any warranty situation for these Cat injectors. No one else is going to do that for you guys. Brand new nozzles, brand new Caterpillar solenoid, brand new internals.
These have been vetted for sure. So we've tested these with a few of our good customers before we put them into the market. Len's been selling this product line for much longer than I have, obviously, and for the past year, we've been using various injectors from this particular remanufacturing supplier, and we've had great results. And on top of that, we're backing that with that 1 year no bullshit warranty. If for any reason they fail within a year, we're taking them back. And I can guarantee you, even if someone else tells you they're giving you that, they're not. And we're proven for doing that on our turbos, and we're going to do it on injectors as well. All right, so we know when we use this, we know where we use this. We're starting with an OEM Caterpillar injector. It's being remanufactured. We're putting the best warranty behind it. I mean, that really covers it. I mean, you knew us for turbos, and now we're going to be getting into fuel. So if you're looking for injectors for a Caterpillar, a Detroit, an ISX, a John Deere, a Deutz, a MAN, whatever else, your asshole, I think Len's your dude. Well, this has been fun. We'll do another one soon. Guys, follow us on the gram, follow us on Facebook. You can always call Len at 215-237-9672, option 2 for sales. Don't come show up because we only operate online. But we're always available via email. I've known to answer emails at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. My email is info@momentumworx.com. I'll hook you up, or feel free to get a hold of Len on the phone. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one.